That looks dangerous.
Oh my God.
Everything I'm wearing is flammable. Oh, sorry. Fake hair, fake lashes, fake nails. Help!
Namaste. Nothing is going wrong. Everything is going right.
All right, just keep going.
Oh my God.
The fire is on fire.
What's on fire?
The burner.
This is the biggest flame I've ever seen in my life.
There you go. Oh, you turned on the other one now.
What? Oh my God, turn it off! This cannot be happening. I'm a disaster!
Hey, Trinity, you're on fire.
Oh my God!
My parchment paper is literally in a huge flame.
Trinity!
I am very flammable.
Trinity, go over to this.
Drop it on the floor. Drop it on the floor.
Drop it on the floor.
Trinity!
My life is literally flashing before my eyes.
Wesley, what are you doing? What is that?
Cucumber.
Nailed it.
It's long, it's green, it's a zucchini. Maybe take a little a little nibble schnibble. You will wear this beautiful, giant kebab stick on your head. You will need to use it to unhook the ingredient rings that hang from that line. Wes and Frankie, it is time to kebab.
You look like a champ right now.
I actually don't think that the people that put these games together would pass a drug test.
Open the asteroids to collect puzzle pieces. Get them out.
Oh, easy, easy. Oh my God.
I may not be good at puzzles, but I'm definitely good at busting up.
Oh, wait, you gotta go on the plate. You got 30 seconds. Go. Oh my God. Wait.
Open them, please!
Watch those nails, young lady. Is there a switch for those to maybe retract them, or?
They cannot go down.
I'm worried I'm just gonna be eating her nails the whole competition. It may not be bone that I'm eating.
No.
All right.
The more I spend time in the kitchen, the more confident I feel. I want one of these deep fryers. I love that the oil does all the work for you.
Tiffany is actually having a conversation with Bartiz and is like, even though you can't feel your nails, I just want to make sure your nails don't go in there.
Oh my gosh.
I'm pretty sure I just saw a nail. I just don't want them to melt or whatever it is that they might do in there.
Nail tempura, why not? You're saving me from a meltdown, chef. Cut the leeches in half.
No, you just need to, don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put things in your mouth unless you're eating them. It's not a safe cooking technique. It's not a sanitized cooking technique. It's not sanitation, safety and sanitation.
That's how I'll be opening up beer. My teeth are very strong. I'm a villain. Of course I know how to bite.
Okay, there's all these bones, man. Where are the bones in the salmon? I don't see no bones in here. I don't know what I'm doing here. Where are the bones? This is a ladle. I'm all about heavy metal rock and roll. Scallion? Is that like a deep sea creature? So my knowledge of cooking is quite rudimentary, if you will. I heard of this thing called al dente. I don't know if that has to do with my teeth. Is it al dente or el dente? No, that would be Mexican. Rocking back and forth, rocking and rolling.
Reverse of what you're doing, like forward
Oh,
motion.
forward.
Watch that thumb.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah, chef!
Come on. Can I adopt you? Come home with me. I'll put you in an oversized baby Bjorn, a little papoose. We'll walk around the neighborhood. People will be like, who's this cute little guy? Oh, this is rock legend, Skid Row's Sebastian Bach. He's my new baby. Now we are gonna break down this chicken into pieces.
Absolutely not.
You have no choice.
Okay.
So these are the drumsticks or the leg.
I know that the chicken is already dead, but there's some dignity here. I mean, you're manhandling that chicken.
Cut around the cavity,
Cavity. Oh, that sounds bad.
and now we crack that joint.
Oh!
And now you have a wing.
This show, you learn to cook and you also learn to be a serial killer.
Oh my God, this is so gross. Have you ever seen a hairless cat? Have you ever thought about what it would be like to put baby oil on a hairless cat?
Oh my God, what is this?
And then stroke the hairless cat covered in baby oil?
Oh
Oh, this is disgusting. No, me neither. Oh my God, I really did it.
Swooping cut under the wing. Use gravity. Ew. Do I pop the wing?
No, you hold it up and then you kind of cut around it, right?
Yeah. Paging Dr. Frankie, we have a chicken in the ER that needs its leg separated from its thigh.
Hi, I'm Dr. Frankie. Do you have a bone that needs to be ripped out of your body? Well, call me at 1-800-I-HATE-THIS right now.
Jeez, this is gnarly. Just cut it up.
Open it up and that joint will pop out.
Open it up. Where's the joint? I gotta find the joint.
Do your left end first, pop it up.
Crack it.
Pop it, pull it, bop it.
Crack it.
Pop it, hold the backbone.
I don't understand.
Side, hold the backbone. The middle, hold the middle.
God, why would anybody want to do this?
My man, Sebastian, is lost.
I don't get it.
He was there in the demo. I saw him.
I don't need any of this, apple cider vinegar.
And now it's time to perform, and he just went blank.
I don't see anywhere where there's not a bone here.
He's falling apart before my eyes.
I don't know what to do. So this is supposed to cut through the bone? I don't understand.
Over the cheese!
I'm kind of perplexed as to how to retrieve the goat cheese from the packaging.
Come on, sweetie! You got this! You got this! We need it! Crumbled! Come on, Sebastian!
I want to go home.
Come on, Trinity, yes, smash that! Come on! I have no time, so these power gloves have got to activate. I'm gonna do this!
Trinity is mixing the avocado with gloved hands. How about like a spoon?
Taste it.
I've never tasted avocado!
You've never tasted avocado.
Avocado just creeps me out a little bit. Oh my God! Oh, it's not bad.
Damn, that's what we like to hear.
No, I tasted it. Give it to me.
Guys, make it perfect.
Mustard. Can't believe I had to use mustard. Mustard. And it's because when I was 5, my sister takes a handful of flour and she blows it in my face. I didn't know it was flour. I thought it was a disease. She's like, you're gonna die if you don't drink this concoction that I just made, and it's the cure. I don't wanna die. I drink this, and turns out it's everything that was in the fridge. Mayonnaise, mustard, Worcestershire, pickle juice. And from then on, I absolutely hate condiments. Oh, disgusting.
Emulsified.
Emulsified.
We want that delicious mustard you use to do its job, which is marry the two.
Please, can we
the
call
oil
it
and the
something
water.
else?
We'll call it mustard.
Dijana, okay? That's her name, Dijana.
Dijana May. If you run behind somebody, what do we say? Behind.
On your left.
Move it.
Move it.
Kitchen safety is of the utmost importance.
Behind! 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 Behind!
You can't just be crazy with all these knives and stuff, you know.
Behind! Behind!
Butter
Behind!
added to
Behind!
Sorry.
Sebastian, you stop that nonsense now. Don't listen to my giggles. Don't let that encourage you.
I have a little trick that my mother used to do. Take a piece of aluminum foil, put that there, creating this barrier between the direct heat to the pot so it doesn't burn.
Doesn't it light on fire?
So this will not light on fire.
Oh, it only lights on fire in the microwave.
You put this in the microwave?
I did. I was trying to reheat leftovers. It caught on fire.
You could blow up your microwave.
Oh, the cut on my finger. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I don't even want to use garlic in my dish anymore. Too bad I have to make garlic bread. Great. Ah! Oh, it's really deep. I'm scared of my knife now, as one should be when they cut their finger down to the bone. We're not friends anymore, honey.
Do I need a stitch?
No.
I'm like holding back tears. I feel choked up. I'm scared. I can't look at it. Meltdown coming. Wait, are we sure I'm okay? Oh my God, you guys, I'm scared.
Hey! That is like a gorgeous blackhead.
Oh.
Yeah. I love popping pimples.
Half a cup of cornstarch? Half a cup of cornstarch is not on the recipe.
It's because there's not cornstarch in there. That's for the batter.
This one's gonna be the one where I cry. Don't understand any of the notes I wrote.
I'm coming. So what are you making?
I am doing a tomato lemon caper riff on your sauce.
Okay.
With clams.
Okay, clean up your station, then get your shellfish ready.
There's dead animals. Oh!
Ugh, gross.
Live animals everywhere. Oh!
What's wrong?
I'm pretty sure that crab just winked at me.
Don't look at me! Just pick him up.
I hate this feeling. He's moving around. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have nightmares of the screams of your crabs.
I don't know what this one is.
What is porridge? No, I'm like, what is porridge? Like, I don't know. Is it oatmeal? I don't know what porridge is. I just know it's mushy, and that is not something I want in my mouth.
2 spoonfuls of those seeds, Vaughn.
What?
2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds.
I've never dealt with a pomegranate before. As far as I'm concerned, I thought it was an onion.
There's a bus up on the cutting board,
Shut up.
cutting board. I'm gonna get real sick today from feeding lots of floor.
Didn't know we had a song
The
about
bus up on the thing, you get a song. That's a Jeff Mauro guarantee.
Sometimes you will get an open mussel. You tap on the shell, it will close. If the mussel does not close, throw it right in the trash. We want to make sure that it is alive.
What? They're alive right now?
These are 100% alive.
And we're gonna eat them?
I didn't know I was gonna kill something on this show, but honestly, I'd do anything for charity, including murdering a mollusk.
Okay.
On a
here we
gel
go.
board.
On a gel board. Thank you, Chef Jeff. I love having you over me, Chef
I
Jeff.
love when I am
So
over
nice.
you as well. Frankie, I've been dubbed Daddy Chef. I think this is becoming almost like a Stockholm syndrome.
Ready?
Yep.
For surgery.
It feels so nice. I feel comforted that
Yes,
you're here.
it's very nice.
But I do see everything.
I know, that is nerve-wracking. Why is it so thick? So I'm not as strong as you, Chef Jeff.
Yes, let's get that bread on there.
She's done, honey.
No. It's burned. I'm
have
all
a
over
bite
the
of this.
place.
Hold
No,
on.
don't you dare. Oh no, Chef Jeff. I'm so sorry.
Come on, dude.
Hey, Chef.
What's happening,
Nice
dude?
to meet you, bro. I'm gonna present to you Broski's beef and mushroom enchiladas with guac gay mole with some strawberries, you know, for fruity fun because I sleep with dudes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Are they lamb?
Oh, look at that. Use your fingers. That's right.
It's like the old times. Did you ever see monkeys cleaning bugs off other monkeys? Oh, God. That's how my team tastes.
Taste everything on there.
Right. Come on, show some decorum here, blue team.
So I'm doing mango, edamame, and snow peas. Edamame. Okay, edamame. Can we do an outtake on that one?
Fresh vanilla bean.
Are they really from a butt of an animal?
What?
What?
Rachel,
Is that not true?
who told you that? It's not from an animal.
That question came out of left field. What kind of animal produces the vanilla bean, Rachel?
Oh, Rachel, that's one way to carry your ingredients. I did not teach her that.
God didn't give me these for nothing. I feel like I need to add a little,
What, baby?
I don't know,
Add it.
like
Add it.
spice or something.
Why not? Kick it up. Kick it up. Several notches.
What are these red hot peppers? What are these?
Let's see. Oh, that's gonna be your cilantro or your Scotch bonnet. Something along
What's a
that.
Scotch bonnet? Is it like really hot?
It's tolerable. It's like taking them on a vacation.
I'm gonna probably try it first. That's hot. That's hot, Tiffany.
Yeah. It's a good heat.
Oh my God, that's so hot.
It's a good
Why would
heat.
No, that's not a good heat.
Oh, it's not?
No. It is the hottest red pepper I have ever tried. That is so hot.
It's too hot. Oh no.
Very, very hot.
Where's no? I am on fire. Is Tiffany secretly trying to sabotage me? My God.
It's a cross between a scone and the cookie. So I call her the Snooky, if you will.
Parkour. Wow.
What an athlete that Adam Rippon.
Parkour.
He can do double wall corner flips, jumping off one counter to the other one.
Parkour.
Here's the thing, there's only like a couple of sides to the box grater.
Other way.
Turn it around? Oh, yeah.
No, the other way.
Like this.
He's now grating cheese on like the smallest grater,
No, the other way.
What do you mean?
like the big side.
Hold it on the flat. Straight up and down, circles.
Everybody's yelling at me. Chef Antonia's in my ear. My teammates behind me are in my ear.
Our teeth act like a competitor. Harder.
It's chaos.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Is that enough?
Yep, we're at the line.
We're good. Go.
You can use the basket.
He wants the pouch.
He's a marsupial.
There we go.
Every drop, just drain them dry.
Who needs this much lemon juice?
The other way, other way, other way.
Like this?
No. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. No. Other
Like
way.
this?
Turn it the other way, the other way. Look at me, look at me.
Really?
Hold it like this.
Yeah,
Put
let me
it,
hear.
now turn it around.
Turn around.
No. Put the other way. Yeah,
Like
in there.
this?
And then the greatest moment of my life happens.
There we go.
You know how to do that.
Oh, he dropped his.
One more.
We're close.
That's it.
Blue team wins. The heroes win.
Thank you
Thank you
so
very much.
Thank
Would you like to say something?
Yeah. Sorry.